Hey, I know all of y'all. I was watching our little special on that marine fungi that we had found from one of those solar storms that we had a while back. So we thought we'd do an update. So we've added a few things like an eggshell, and that has been there like, I know, hold on. I know it has kind of grown a little bit. Everybody's probably like, are you freaking crazy? I know, what is up? I haven't looked at this. I know it's hard for me to have patience or whatever. So it's like, I haven't touched this. I know it's weird, but the people who understand what I'm talking about, these were oops. Yeah, these are just messing around with it in these other controls. We have it other places as well. And this is a piece of asparagus. And we have our magnetic field and a radio. So, okay, this is gonna blow your mind. This is what we were thinking about. So you see, like, that is an electronic device, right? Well, underwater, this marine fungi has been able to quantumly entangle to create a new form of pretty much like connecting it together. And the mycelium of this is basically like fiber optics that's microscopic, and I can only imagine it. What if it's able to use the magnetic field to radiate or organize? Doesn't that look weird? I don't know. We'll leave a link, but we want to just see what's up with y'all. Hey. Are y'all ready for a weekend update? Hey, Vector J. Hey, Sir Vec. Is Vector J busy? Are you taking any calls for it? It's too busy? Too good to take your own calls, Vector J? Okay, I was like...